Hi guys, and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be discussing and sharing with you guys a couple of Hamster Kombat updates. Now, I recently opened up my Hamster Kombat bot yesterday and I saw a lot of new updates on the application that will actually help us to achieve more and make more from this very space. Those of us that are actually tapping our screens and getting more coins, with this update, you're going to be able to get more and more coins, and those who are also increasing their profit per hour will have the opportunity to even do more. Now, I remember the times of Notcoin. When Notcoin started, most people were in disbelief of that particular coin and the fact that it was going to even make you money by tapping your screens. I was sharing update about Notcoin on my Telegram community and also sharing with a couple of people who were interested, and I didn't see the need to make a YouTube video about it. And it cooked. People made $200, $400 and even more. And now I'm like, okay, with this update, I have to share it to more people like you watching this video right now, so that you can always jump on opportunity like this and still make the most for yourself in this very space. Crypto is so crazy. Now let's jump over to the Hamster Kombat bot and I'll share with you guys a couple of updates on here. So on my phone screen, I'm going to click on play right now, and you can see that the bot is currently launching up. Now once it is open, you see that I have, like, from Bybit 224,000 coins added. I previously got about 600k. I'm going to click on this and get it added to the balance I have. Now once you're in here, you're going to see that this is a new interface compared to the previous interface that I have been doing a video around. Now when you see here, you can get your daily reward, you can do your daily cipher, and also do your daily combo. And this is very beautiful because before now, people would only go ahead and they would tap on, their end per tap 3 times before daily cipher comes up to do their daily cipher. And for you to do your daily combo, you have to go over to mine, and this is where you see your daily combo, right? Now, some people were not able to get how to get their daily combo, and even others were not able to figure out how to do their daily cipher. But now everything is a whole lot easier. Now with this, we are able to achieve more coins and we can actually get more of profit per hour for ourselves. Now let me share with you guys how you can actually do your daily reward, your daily cipher, and daily combo as it is on here in this very space. And like I said, I'm going to do this. First of all, get my daily reward. I actually missed a day on my daily reward and everything restarted, which is very bad. But then it would have actually be getting about 1 million coins right now. So I've done my daily reward. I'm going to go next now and impute the daily combo. Let me do the daily combo first. And on the market tab, I'm going to go ahead and get staking. So let's go ahead and get staking here. Good, awesome. You can see it says first card I've gotten. And for the second card, it is on the specials tab, which I'm going to go get. And it is the YouTube gold button. I think I already got that before. You can see it here. So let me get it again. I'm going to go ahead and get it right now. I've gotten the second card. And the third card is on legal, and it is licensed Bangladesh. So I'm going to go over to legal now, and let's go look for licensed Bangladesh. You can see, okay, this is it. I'm going to click on it right here. Okay, so it says here the combo is complete and I'm going to be getting 5 million coins. I'm going to tap on take the price. Now when you come back here, you see that my coins has increased. This is over 43 coins, and also my profit per hour has increased from 202 to 215. As you can see on here, this is increased, this is also increased. Okay, now let us do the third one, which is the daily cipher. And once we are on here, we're going to impute that. So okay, let's click on daily cipher first. So we'll do dot long hold for dash dot long hold for dash dot f dot then we have dash for the last one. for M. So you guys can see now I've gotten the full price after inputting my cipher code, and I can simply proceed to click on take price. So on taking that price, you can actually see it says good job CEO, good job for the goal achieved, you're capable of doing more and all. And you can also see that we already have this coins increased to 44 million by adding up our daily combo and daily cipher. Okay, in the next video I'm going to share with you guys the best cards to buy. When you come over here to the mine tab section, you can actually see there are a couple of cards here, all of these cards right here, and I'm going to be showing you the best cards for that because there's an update. I noticed it yesterday. You're going to be seeing some cards that have #1, #2, right? Yes, and I'll be sharing with you guys the best cards to buy in order to increase your profit per hour. As you can see, my profit per hour, I've increased it, is over 215k right now. I'll show you how to increase it and make the most in this very space. So if you want to see that video, type yes, I want to see the video in the comment section. Type it down there for me in the comment section and I'll be prepared to make that video for you guys. Do well to share this video, subscribe to this channel, and like this video as well. Thank you so much guys, and I'll see you in the next.